Hey everyone, welcome back to the PassFab channel. If you've just performed a factory reset on your Samsung phone and are now stuck on a screen asking for your previous unlock PIN, password, or pattern, you're dealing with a specific type of factory reset protection, or FRP. This happens when your phone had a screen lock enabled before the reset, and now the device is asking for that same PIN to verify you're the original owner, even before it asks for your Google account. This can be incredibly frustrating, especially if you can't remember that old PIN. In this video, I'm going to show you two effective methods to bypass this previous unlock PIN verification and regain access to your Samsung phone, whether you have your Google account credentials or not. The first method is to try recovering your Google account if the account was previously signed in on the device. This method works if you remember your Google account email address but can't recall the password or if the phone is still linked to that account. Using a separate phone or computer, open your browser and go to google.com. Attempt to sign in with the Google account that was previously used on your Samsung phone. When the password screen appears, click on the Forgot Password option. Google will then guide you through the account recovery process. You may be asked to verify your identity using a linked recovery phone number or backup email address that was previously associated with the account. Once you've successfully created a new password, return to your Samsung phone. At the PIN verification screen, you should now see an option to verify using your Google account instead. Select that option, enter your recovered Google account credentials, and you'll be able to bypass the previous PIN verification and continue with the setup process. However, if you don't remember the Google account email address, no longer have access to your recovery options, or the option to verify with Google doesn't appear, this method won't work for you. That's where the second method comes in. The second and most reliable method is to use PassFab Android Unlock. This professional software is specifically designed to remove Google FRP locks and bypass previous PIN verification on Samsung devices, even if you don't have the Google account credentials or the original screen lock PIN. First, download and install PassFab Android Unlock on your computer using the link provided in the video description below. Once installed, launch the program and you'll arrive at the main interface. From the main menu, select the Remove Google Lock (FRP) option. Next, choose Samsung as your device brand. You'll then need to select the correct Android version running on your phone. If you're unsure which version your device is using, the software provides an option to detect it automatically. Click the Remove Now button. Connect your Samsung phone to the computer. Make sure you're using a data cable. Make sure you select the correct device model for your Samsung phone. As soon as the software detects your device, it will automatically begin the FRP removal process. During this procedure, your Samsung phone may restart several times. Once the process is complete and your phone reboots to the welcome screen, you'll notice two important things. The previous unlock PIN verification screen is completely gone. The Google account verification step has also been removed. You can now continue setting up your phone as a brand new device. You'll be taken straight to your home screen with full access restored. No PIN or Google account required. If this tutorial helped you get back into your phone, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to the PassFab channel. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.